non David tokani hen ouch palangi show.
Alright.
Era baka tambi sigini kwa.
Dono binaka. Big binaka makalebu to Punji celebrating 90 years for
Julum.
your collaboration and your input and
Yeah.
your everything to us
Yeah.
this morning. Very good morning to Demes Kakai.
Ha.
I love your Jesse, brother.
Thank you, my brother. We love you too for your set. Thank you. It's very, very Halloween. This morning, even it's hotness in the night,
Right.
in the day it's hotness,
Okay.
but with a thank to up above
Yes.
for their blessing to us, for giving us another breath
Right.
to survive.
We
in this
say
day.
good morning to the Nadangi family.
Ha.
They're tuning in all the way from Nambaka in Savu Savu,
Kaja.
and also the Mbatia family from Tuatua in Nebraska.
Ah.
Very good morning. Dedication from Remesio, all the way from Australia.
Right.
This morning.
And not forget not these people,
Yeah.
to Master Seru to Indrabutu
Right.
and the family.
Oh, okay.
From where?
Yeah. They are joining today from
Nambala.
Father Manasa.
Right.
Mose sepa buli tawake tapa nambui
Yeah.
inginasio
Yeah.
onaru nambui ngase
Right.
gonga na balimbete nambala maindo nambilo
Right.
ti
Right.
salolo matu ni nambua waikete tailebu.
Yeah, they're tuning in this morning in Inesio.
Yeah.
Surata Siana now Mari Meresiana and Mr. Twin Ravutu
Ha.
from Nambala Secondary School compound.
Julum.
Dono mo
To Sabenada Nariba,
Right.
to the boys and Tex, not forgetting Saki.
Yeah.
These are the boys from Yaketenba, they joining today this morning.
Yeah.
Right.
And also to everyone,
Yeah.
to Lewa Kavikas.
Oh,
Yeah.
have you tried the Kavikas?
So na ni koro already mbule binaka,
Yeah.
vamul tatunga be met esa bolandamu.
Right.
And Rabinaka for this morning.
Good
Yeah.
morning to John Mbatita celebrating his birthday today. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning on VTFM. Dems, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. And how are you too?
I'm okay too. How's your you looking forward for your trip tomorrow?
Tomorrow is a good day.
Yeah.
It's been a blessing for us this morning.
Right.
We are looking forward for another game. Fiji against Chiefs for the Nrua.
Oh, okay. When are you going down?
Tomorrow
Next week.
I'll going down. To next week merong tal no.
Hey, mano tan lama di lori taxi na minibus na mutaka mo ito okay? Ni andra mina kana sa mutuma yung traffic jam na mutaka ni kuwa. Sa wala nga isuba.
Iyo.
No sorry, mayan ratal tunga ni lautoka nesa sa mga ra. May nandi lautoka keimba.
Yeah.
To bula mina ka may raki-raki elam todo ko sara.
Yeah.
Ito sa mga andra mga bulutan. May sabu-sabu, may monolebu.
Yeah.
May na kortura makawa kay viti, may libu ka walau.
Yeah.
To bula mina ka may kantamu, may lumay viti.
Oh.
May na yato mamanuda, na yato yasawa, na yato lau.
Iyo.
Ni sa andra mina ka fayeksia may rutuma.
Ngori.
Kami mana ini na evaluati and Unifiji Samambula.
Right.
We also say good morning to our Tavale Kini.
Who's?
Go dole butuga na musuna.
O they?
Iyo.
May nambua koro.
Daumbula.
Orang ni bungalay.
Oh, a house cow.
So.
Ew. Trani mo lingor, he
Yeah.
no better cow.
Era kile ko binakana ligri pingar non tamatibal.
Right.
Do pingar to kada medics.
Oi.
Iyo.
Quando oi, sarro to merele mo na len matibol relenga. Rele mo ni bidu la dala ka mo kamandi andra binaka. Na balem sarro na sebutu mai. Na mataka ni bagada
Nata
misiketa.
ile bukini buaya anda binakana matagani ko. Bikyo ni lubi vitamin besi burura.
Right.
We say good morning to you. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Okay.
Mga kinabir na si Ferres or varong bulimaya na matake day day.
Right.
So kwa sa chikumbeka na pimpara binonta panu ngolo chikumbeka no levu. Siya ngolo chikumai baro rabi chikumbeka na dole kili wanga.
Right.
Lavin Rotini anda binaka.
Bulu binaka.
Ba Saint Jose.
Iyo.
May
Jose.
California.
Oh, right.
Nini binaka na mataka binaka day day.
Saint
Nagdara
Jose.
Kidney Center. Simon Mbanube.
Doyanra.
All right.
Bambul tatulong tunga be who's this? Bill Lesenia.
Yeah.
Bill Lesenia and the family.
Right.
And not forgetting to all the kids, all the parents
Yeah.
for supporting the children.
Iyo.
Warta cuma matagal literatos raining in Lautoka.
Ha.
Oh, now.
Iyo now.
Oh, we want the sun.
Di na sir.
Lasan will be there tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Start.
On.
Come.
Today we'll talk about the colors. Okay. The colors have a meaning to our life.
Which color?
All the colors, different
Okay,
colors.
okay,
One people. Okay. The common color. Okay. Demesi. Osan tu kan ni bikin na roka, pataki na kaya si mati na roka.
Right.
Para tayo si ni Bill K. Rod go sekobe husta hawe kula.
Oh, bunuwa nga.
Yeah.
Oi. Ano na matangali? Okay.
Right.
Red.
Red is danger.
Oke, monggo red itu kita kembali bertekan love, passion, anger, danger, aggression, and boldness.
Where there is Sione Maxiel, Anda bilang apa?
Red.
Where there is red,
Yeah.
there is blood.
Right.
Okay.
Blood symbolizes the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin symbolizes the white blood cell
Right.
that fight against
Bacteria.
sickness.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah. So where there is red, there is fighting. There is
Right.
danger.
Now
There
go
is
no-
blood.
Yeah.
There is alive. There is
Aggression,
movement.
Aggression.
There is aggression.
Passion.
Passion, posota.
Iya.
There is a motive of move in front.
Right.
Yeah.
Togetherness.
Sanjay.
Red.
Red tell nga associate kaya na love.
That's red is love.
Yeah.
Where yeah. Red is love because if there is blood,
Yeah.
there is alive.
Iya.
There is alive, there is love.
Iya.
You only can love if you are alive.
Iya. Ananaw,
Yeah.
ananaw.
Sometimes I saw your pants red.
Huh?
Your pants red.
Red ko rin na bay.
Boy lord eh.
Yeah.
Lori kaya danger pati kina anger.
Iya, assassin kay danger. Sa dangerous.
Okay.
Ako na si Dinimbula.
Okay, let's move on to color. Orange.
Andraw nimbele na ka na yung bulu.
Orange associated with energy,
Okay.
enthusiasm,
Yeah.
warmth,
Enthusiasm ko rin.
vitality, excitement, and good health.
Sadur mo ko na enthusiasm. Sangan rin bisa nga na dictionary. The level of education is above the sea level.
Okay.
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 There is orange. Orange is coming from the word O.
Sama sila orange kita energy.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Energy.
Electricity.
O.
Yeah.
Yeah.
O is orange. Iyo, nabuhay ikaw, namoli.
Yeah.
When you see the shape of the orange, is starting from the O.
Yeah.
Again, the ship. How's the ship?
The shape is O.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wanna know?
So,
Wanna know?
when you see the orange,
Yeah.
orange is plenty meaning.
Yeah.
It's very sour, it's warm.
Yeah. Dar kay
Yeah. It's very smellfulness.
Right.
excitement.
Excitement.
Yore dar ka ninriw, iku na mar.
You want to move yourself. You leave the purpose of you being here.
Yeah.
You move towards is something because of the bitterness,
Right.
the sweetness,
Right.
the sillingness, na lily.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the portable. Motor sa Ford, eh?
Yeah.
Also sini kay sama na orange. Kalau orange color is good health.
Good health. Good health is when orange
Yeah.
is within you.
Right.
Orange, it's a healthy plant.
Right.
Yeah.
No. It's a fruits. It's a fruit. Fruit. You drink a lot of orange.
Yeah.
It can show
Yeah.
how sweetness is your bitterness.
Let's move on to the next color. Yellow
Yeah.
associated with happiness,
Yeah.
hope, optimism,
Right.
positivity,
Right.
sun, and youthful.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yellow is a color.
Yeah.
When you see the yellow, it starts with Y.
Yeah.
Y
Yeah.
coming from the yellow.
Why?
You ask yourself, why is yellow
Yeah.
is around you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Photosynthesis process.
Yeah.
It's come from up above from the sun.
Wanna
Where there is you see the sun,
Yeah.
you see the yellow.
Right.
When you see the egg,
Yeah.
you see the yellow.
Yellow is happiness. What is happiness?
Yellow is happiness,
Hope.
Joy.
joy,
Optimism.
optimism,
Spell.
Positivity.
positivity.
Wanna.
There is yellow. Yellow is a worldwide.
Yellow submarine.
Yellow submarine ko na nunu.
Okay, green. New beginning,
Right.
abundance, nature, growth, harmony, and peace.
Green.
Yeah.
When you see a plant,
Yeah.
it's green. It show them alive.
Yeah.
When you see a green
Right.
color,
Yeah.
it show something very unique.
Queenie na itutu dari Famera.
When you see green, you see Queen in Natutu Fama. When you see green,
Yeah.
you show it show the healthy.
Yeah.
When you eat green,
Yeah.
it's so healthy in your life.
Growth, harmony, and peace.
Growth, harmony, and peace.
Ano na masarap nga?
When
When-
you eat green, you'll see green.
We'll see green in the
Iyo, ninda
Yeah.
ka naroro,
Yeah.
enda na biluman ya, enda na find peace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Love.
Isa ka na bidun ruby.
Right.
Kaji.
Yeah.
Ano, siya man dono tu.
Don't
Alright, blue.
Blue
Calm,
is
strength, trust, stability, inspiration, wisdom,
Non
and
kala gor, non kala.
Blue is Michele.
Huh?
Blue is Michele. Blue is an ocean.
Right.
It symbolizes the deepness of meaning of love in our body,
Right.
in our environment.
Right.
When you see in the sea, it's an ocean, it's blue.
Right.
When you see above in the sky, it's blue.
Right.
Yeah.
When you see someone, you see in the blue,
Wisdom.
you see wisdom.
One now, they may say one
Because
now.
without blue,
Without inspiration.
without inspiration,
Lily.
without endure,
Yeah.
without boldness,
Yeah. Dinasar.
yeah,
Okay.
blue is the same meaning
Yeah.
as blue.
Yeah.
Blue.
Okay, tunggu. Purple. Creativity, royalty, wealth, power, and mystery.
Ya, betul.
Dan berita pagkali bro rokango, ay napupali pa tui. Do roka taki tui na rokango.
Dinasar, itu.
Na loka.
Loka,
Na
right.
purple. Creativity,
Iya.
royalty,
Right.
royalty,
Iya.
wealth,
Right.
buto niyaw,
Iya,
power,
roka,
yeah, what na mystery.
Ya.
The purple is a king majority.
Ano na mo?
It's coming from the wealthness of the
Commonwealth.
people, the commonwealth of the highness of the well-being.
Right, doon mo binaka.
When you see purple,
Yeah.
you see a plant.
Right.
A bangan.
Yeah.
Bangan is symbolize the purple.
Yeah.
So na purple.
Iya.
Grapes.
Yeah.
Healthiness.
Yeah.
Who's laughing? Yeah. The purple is the royal color.
Ano na mo?
Yeah.
Totoo ko, Chin.
Royal color.
Yeah.
Where there is a royal,
Yeah.
there is a respect.
Doon.
There is a love.
Yeah.
Right.
There is a order.
Power.
There is a power.
Mystery.
There is a mystery.
No.
There is a commandment. There is a commonwealth.
Yeah.
It symbolizes Malkaya,
Commonwealth
my
games.
baba is watching this morning.
Yan, ano na tayo? Rongo tong. Okay.
Yeah.
Mike.
Black. Mystery, elegance, power, death, evil,
Iya.
negativity,
Non kala gor.
morning.
Non kala.
Why you choose black?
Alright.
Alright. Black is a color.
Yeah.
It symbolizes darkness.
Right.
When somebody is passed away, we wear black colors
Right.
to symbolize somebody is going away
Right.
from us.
I don't know.
It's leaving the earth and it's about to bury it in the soil.
Yeah.
Black, when you see black,
Negativity.
you see negativity.
Yeah.
Right.
When you see black,
Death.
Yeah.
you see Facebook. Somebody is watching in the Facebook and the food is gesa.
Yeah.
Right.
There is black.
Right.
Gasa black.
Black gesa.
Death and evil.
Death and evil. Black, because in the night,
Yeah.
the black is there.
White.
White is
Purity, cleanliness, virtue, peace, innocence.
that is where we want to go. It's a
Yeah.
white.
Right.
The
All white.
innocent.
Iya.
The white is symbolize love,
Yeah.
light,
Yeah.
heaven.
Yeah.
It symbolizes the truthful meaning of who you are.
Right.
Glory.
Yeah.
Innocence.
Innocent.
Yeah.
You love one another.
Yeah.
When you see white,
Yeah.
you see cleanliness is next to godliness.
When
When you see white, you see angel.
Yeah.
Right.
When you see white,
Yeah.
you see apa?
Hidden angel.
Hidden angel ko rin na balikan na. Ano binaka hidden angel
Right.
this morning. Yeah.
Why are you like from all those colors?
Yeah.
Why you wear yellow too much? Yellow.
Yellow symbolize dryness.
Okay, brown. Warmth, wholesomeness, dependability, nature, comfort, reliability, strength, and health.
Brown is a soil.
Okay.
When you see the soil,
Dina, dono.
where there is a brown,
Yeah.
there is soil.
Yeah.
Soil is a living thing. Without soil, without brown,
Yeah.
you can see green.
Right. Dono.
You can see plant.
Yeah.
You can see human beings walk on the soil as above of the earth in the mitochondria.
When you see brown, you see nature.
In nature,
Right.
when you see brown, you
Yeah.
see the nature of your skin is being double up.
Yeah.
There it's I'm gonna cover.
Now. When you see brown, you see soil erosion.
Yes.
Sini gele.
Sisiningele.
Yeah.
It's depending on the how you nature, how you care
Right.
about the brown.
Okay. All right. Gray.
Gray.
Neutrality, sophistication,
Right.
formality,
Yeah.
restraint,
Right.
tranquility, emotionless, and dullness.
Dullness is gray.
Yeah.
Gray.
It's
If
dull.
you see gray,
Yeah.
you see the matanrabu.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Where there is matanrabu,
Yeah.
there is dog.
Right.
Right. Erntoli mo din
Grey
una
dog.
collie.
Yeah,
The grey dog, not the grey dog.
Oi.
This is for sleeping.
Oi.
For erntoli mo de kina.
Right.
So, toka sandungulala mata ni singa is joining this morning. You are grey dog. Andra mina kanalilay.
Last call for us
Okay.
this morning.
Ay.
Ora out pa lang isu.
Ha.
Kita kada itu kana roka di sini tu nak kirim balik.
Right, hindi na.
Behind the color.
Yeah.
Okay. Pink.
Pink
Yeah.
is symbolize.
Kindness, affection, love, playfulness, tranquility.
It's so human of the women.
Right.
Most of the women, they chose pink.
Right.
Liability, it's coming from the commercial study.
Iya.
Okay.
Yeah. Liable,
Iya.
love
Yeah.
one another.
Yeah.
Patience, some else.
Affection.
Affections.
Yeah.
That show some beauty.
Yeah.
It's being affectionate.
Kindness.
Kindness.
Yeah.
Kind to everyone, it's the pink color.
Yeah.
That's why you go in some ceremony.
All right.
Yeah.
Colorness is very, very meaningful. And daw mo bale na color.
Can
Yeah.
we change it?
Huh?
Put the pink for the men.
Pink for the man, he chose sadness. Yeah.
Eh, perché non canta na ibo andeo se devo mandala di roka so.
Right.
Wata ken rim bale.
Di na.
Na black, na purple, na blue, na green, na yellow, na orange wata ken na red.
Kuan ko rumah na pamedal.
Iya.
Pamedal tanga pinang ako na yellow.
Iya.
What can black?
Baleta.
Ya sarang na na buto.
Eh?
Yellow and black. When
Yeah.
you mix yellow and black, it join what color, Michele?
Yeah.
When you mix together the yellow and black, what color form?
Yellowish.
Yellowish. That's why we are call him a yellow color. Hey, Hamar Jao, Bian Sabere, Iwala, go Ndruago
Right.
for the games against Chiefs.